And this is the final video. What if we can make a League of Legends ad so cinematic that it looks like a $50,000 production, but we do it solo, with no crew, just our ideas and AI. So I'm gonna try to make it with me, Higgsfield, and the imagination of AIs. This is Higgsfield right on my screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the image model Nano Banana Pro here to generate the images. We're gonna use Kling 2.6 for animation, and Cinema Studio, which is a really good place to go for cinematic videos. We can choose our cameras, lenses, focal length, and aperture even. Full control of our shots. Here we're gonna do everything else. So let's start to make our League of Legends commercial live from scratch. So this will be a freestyle, no editing or anything. I'm just gonna cut the fluff and we'll brainstorm with ChatGPT, build and polish just here in front of you. And let's get started. So first let's come up with the story for that, and after that we're gonna generate the images, and after that we're gonna animate the images and connect them and put some music or voiceover or text, and this is gonna be our art. Let's start. Okay, now let's generate image to see. So okay, let's have the prompts here and chat here, and let's start. We will generate them with Nano Banana Pro. So let's go to image and here choose Nano Banana Pro 16:9, and let's start generating. So our prompt is gonna be a cinematic shot, Nexus glowing enemy minions. Let's make it 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, we have pasted the prompt. Let's straight away generate the scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Let's generate all of the scenes images. After that we're gonna make them animations. You'll be generating a close-up shot of Yasuo. Let's generate 2 of all of the images. Okay, and now scene 3. Okay, strongest victory. Add a Baron Nashor photobombing in background to 1 variation. We'll say add the Baron. Okay, and let's generate it as well. So we are now generating all of our images in Higgsfield, and after that we will start. Now we will need prompts to animate all scenes. Okay, now this is the first image. Okay, it's really good. There are the Nexus. Okay, Nexus is good, but what are these heroes and etc.? This is not League of Legends. Okay, this is more like League of Legends. Okay, I will use this one, the left one. Okay, now we have our images. Everything is ready. Let's go to Cinema Studio now. And here we're gonna hit the liked ones. And how we are starting? We're starting with the Nexus, so we're gonna use it. And we will describe the scene that we are imagining. So scene 1, cinematic prompt. We will use this one, 4K. And for, let's say, camera, Sony Venice, lens, and focal length, I'm gonna say what is recommended. Okay, let's generate. And we're gonna go and generate the second one, which is gonna be the close-up, which is gonna be the cinematic close-up of Yasuo's face. I have generated an image, so let me go and generate the video. So with the first one, slow cinematic dolly in is gonna be a video. So for start frame, we're gonna use this. Slow cinematic dolly in, movement 5 seconds. Audio is gonna be on. And for movement, we can choose dolly in, and everything is already written. We're gonna generate the video. Then we will start frame the second one. And we will use slow motion close up to Yasuo's face. This is gonna be a static shot, static, or maybe handheld is gonna be better. Let's generate it as well. And then we're gonna start frame the third one where the whole team is preparing. Dynamic cinematic shot. And we will use movement to camera follows. So camera is gonna follow them. Let's generate. So you can see how much control we have on our shots. We can do handheld, zoom out, zooming, camera follows, and etc. They are straight away prepared. So after that, we're gonna use the ultimates, epic high energy. And for this one, for movements, maybe we can do orbit around, or we can do a drone shot. Let's do one drone shot, and let's do one orbit around. And then the first frame is gonna be the pentakill one, slow motion shot. So this, what we can use is, this is the slow motion. So we can use slow motion here and just make camera follows and generate it. And then the last frame is gonna be this. This is gonna be heroic final shot, movement. Let's say this is gonna be jib up. We're not gonna use slow motion, and I'm gonna say in last moment, Baron eats them and smiles. And let's see what is gonna generate. That's it. We are now waiting for our videos to be generated, and then we're gonna collect them. Let's see the first video. Here we can see the door into the Nexus. This is a really good transition point. So let's download it. First frame. Okay, let's see the second frame. This one is really good with the thunders, lightning going on. Okay, they are empowered and starting to go. Characters are consistent. That's good. Let's see now. Here the characters are not the same, but it looks good. Okay, and then let's see this one. No, the other one, the orbit shot, is much better. Okay, this is the slow motion. This is really good. The slow motion is really good. This is the fifth scene, and we are generating the last scene now. Okay, the last scene. Hey, that's really good. It is not eating them, but it's good. This final flying, it's really good to finish the video. Okay, now, and you can see now we have everything that we will need in our video. So we now just have to add the music, and we have to edit them. So I'm gonna make it now, and I'm gonna show you the final video. And this is the final video. And that's it. So this is the power of Higgsfield, and using Higgsfield you can generate this type of ads for yourself, small videos, trailers, and etc. with all of the control that you can see. And I just showed barely just 3 tools that you can use. Just Nano Banana Pro for video, Kling, Cinema Studio. You can use one as well, 2.6, 2.5, Google VO3, everything. And they have an offer here, you can see. And yeah, this is it. So if you want to create ads like this, ads for your personal brand and etc., or just to have fun and generate really good quality videos and just turn your imagination into reality, you can go in the link in the description. You can check Higgsfield. And this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.